This is the SHARPAL 162N dual diamond sharpening system, and this is my 6-month review. You may have seen my earlier video where I introduced it. I've been using it now for 6 months, so let's take a look at the features. Stick around for the pros and cons and my verdict on it. I'll go through all the details of it, including the cost and is it good value, and then finally, who is it for? First of all, what are the features? So it has 2 sides to it, and it has a coarse side which is 325 grit, about 14 microns, and then an extra fine side which is 1200 grit, which is about 12 microns. The size of this is 8 by 3 inches, or 203 by 76 millimeters. It comes with this base, which is also a good storage box. So all of this fits inside, keeps it nice and safe, stops it getting scratched and damaged. It comes with this angle guide as well, which has 14, 17, 20 and 25 degrees, and it's magnetic, so it sticks to the diamond plate. So just going through some of the pros and cons. The first pro is that it's a well-made monocrystalline diamond stone. Now if you want to find out more about it, check out Outdoors 55. I followed his recommendation for this, and essentially, especially on the finer grit, there isn't too much contamination from larger diamond stones. So it is what it says it is, which is great. It's a great grit combination. So that combination of the 325 coarse grit followed by the extra fine 1200 grit, that means that you can pretty much get it really sharp from those two. So you can do most of the hard work on the 325 and then the final sharpening on the 1200, and then all you've got to do after that is strop. The other pro is that the storage box and base, and what I like about it is the whole thing is reliably heavy and stable. So it's a nice size. You can sharpen a large knife with this, and the other benefit is, being a diamond stone, it doesn't need flattening. Now the cons, and there aren't many of them, the guide is okay. I don't use it too much, and particularly for thicker blade stocks, they're probably not going to be very accurate. One of the cons which might put some people off is the cost. So this was a Christmas present, so I haven't been given it by SHARPAL. Now the cost for this currently, at the time of making this video, is £59.99 on Amazon, or $69.99. So it is quite expensive. There is a smaller version, which is the 156N, and that comes in at £42.99 or $44.99. Look out for it being on sale, especially on Amazon. I'm sure it was cheaper than that around Christmas time, so have a look for that. But I think it's good value because it's going to last a long time, a lot longer than the cheap diamond stones. I've used this a lot and there's hardly any marks on it at all. So my verdict, 2 things. Which knives is it for? Well, the benefit of this is you can use it for scissors, you can use it for all knives, including hard steels. So that's one of the benefits of diamond stones. I don't have many hard steels. For the softer steels, such as inox on the Victorinox, then it sharpens these super quickly. Who is it for? It's for beginners who are doing hand sharpening. It's for experienced people who like sharpening by hand. It's great to keep on your workbench so it's ready to go. So my verdict is this is the best sharpening stone I've got, the best I've used, and I find it great for sharpening all of my stones. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you got one of these? Do you rate it? Check out Outdoors 55. He does a great review of it. And check out my other review, which will be just down here. Also, I've got a sharpening playlist, which will be over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.